I'm sure the boys partied pretty hard 20 years ago, but come on.
I don't know if their hips would hold up these days.
Fluffy koala.
I have the worst boyfriend in the world.
I see you, DJ.
Well, we. Bonjour, je crois. Si, see you at the Prince.
Wow.
Look at this. I can do this. Go, go, go! Stop wasting time, you idiot!
Oh, there's another card. I didn't know I had that one.
Elise, I've just done 2 rows and we're still in the same spot.
Mark, can we talk to you, please?
Why do we have to do it?
Well, I want to ask him.
Oh.
Can we talk to you for a second?
I'm just busy at the moment, Jess.
Yeah, good.
Well,
I got busy too. What are we worried about?
You know, you're saying things that aren't true. So what do they owe me for giving him their builder? If you want to play that game, it's ridiculous.
Well, stop carrying on. I just asked.
He asked me.
I asked him what was wrong. I'm sick of talk about something once and then move on.
Well,
Sorry,
someone asked you.
I asked. It was my fault. I am so done with drama this week. I don't want to talk to anyone about anything relating to drama. It's just a waste of my time. It's petty things now. I'm sick of people. I'm like, you're all adults. Done.
We've got our beautiful big table. We sit 10 to 12 people.
I saw a delivery rock up the back, and Mitch and Mark walked outside, so I thought this would be interesting. Let's go and have a look.
So, Jay,
What is in there?
we'll take the table off the pallet.
I don't want to be called a peeping Tom or anything like that because the fence wasn't quite built, but I did walk over to the neighbour's house and stick my head through the door. And I noticed that there was like a massive table. It looked like a barn door. Interesting. I think they're opening a restaurant up there.
Yeah, Tess got a text from Scotty.
I couldn't understand it though, it was in French.
Bonjour. Be at the Prince in 15 minutes.
Good morning.
Hello, Shelley.
Come on in, make yourselves comfortable. How good? Move around the table. Go all comfy. Comfy. Not too comfy, I hope. We've got one more surprise for you.
How are you, darling?
Missed you.
Hey, Mum.
We met Elsie.
Yeah, we just went for the cutest baby in the room.
I cried so much meeting her.
Gosh, we have missed you so much. Hello.
Andy, could you come up here, please?
Super safety man came out behind the curtains. Looked very familiar.
Hello, Shelley. Watch your step, Shelley. Watch your step.
I'm sorry.
God, he looked good in that outfit.
When I heard the word superhero costume, I immediately thought, this has to become a challenge, doesn't it?
Yes, a
And
challenge.
you know what? I think one superhero is never enough.
Never.
Is it? It's superhero costumes for all.
Introducing Mega Mitch and the Insurance Adjuster. Pointy-Hat Girl and Kid Canary. Super Safety Man and Diplomatic Deb. Captain Nip-Slip and the Emotional Girl. And finally, Argument Angel and Mighty Mel.
We look like a bunch of characters from Kick-Ass.
Scotty and I have worked so hard on this challenge. It is a blockstickle course. This is here to represent your time on the block. So, the first stage, of course, was you're all humble backpackers in your sleeping bags. The first challenge today is a sleeping bag sack race.
And on your time on the block, you have all become master renovators. Well, some of you have. So, second base is a hammer and nail skills test.
One thing you've all learnt on this series is how to navigate the judges' feedback.
Oh, gosh.
So obstacle number 3 is the judges' obstacle course.
And the real reason you came on the block in the first place is to make money.
Oh,
so
yeah.
your final obstacle is a cash grab that will literally blow you away.
Get set!
Here we go! Tears off, and
But will he keep his head or any of the judges' heads from knocking over the 12 items?
Here we go. Watch Shayna, watch Shayna.
And he's through. Yes! Well done!
Two more, yes!
Yes, Luke! One to go, Luke, and you have nailed this part of the obstacle course.
I love it, Kel.
Thank you very much. Moving on, all right?
Here he goes.
Oh, he's over! Straight away.
Full steam ahead, and yeah, straight on my ass.
Go!
Good job.
The final obstacle is the A2
Look at the method.
grab. This is where his height may play a bit of a problem. No, it's not the case. Don't let the feet leave contact with the mat. Go back on the one. There is so much at stake here. Oh, the fastest time we have seen on the A2 money grab.
She's slight. She's quick.
Jesse is going to have to bring it 10 seconds.
Coming into the final thing, his time was really close to ours.
He's got about 10 seconds to do this.
Here he goes. Jesse is down low. He's after the nose. He's
chill.
not going to do it. I am saying that with his time penalties, the prize is going to Madeline.
It's unbelievable.
Yay! We won!
Won a challenge.
We won! And we won in front of the kids.